Look at him. No, yeah, he squealed, but watch out, baby. Watch out. I'm videoing.
Let me see.
Teeth? It's funny. I don't know what he's doing with his leg. Hi, baby.
Don't you
Hi.
come with my food.
I'm not going to let him get your food.
Can I put these barriers?
No, please sit down. Please sit down. Elijah! He's growling. Hey! Don't touch him. He's okay. Elijah! I'm probably crunching really loud. Hi!
No.
You be sweet. Hi, baby.
Don't you come over here too much.
He's just trying to climb.
He's not going to eat your food, don't worry.
Elijah.